Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. I'm Joe Mar,
I'm Rush.
and this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting, and everything sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And do one more thing first, though.
When we say share the video, sorry, people. I'm all over the place. Like I said, like the video, but like it. But Rush already said that. So I also want to share the video
all over the gap,
to at least 10 people.
Yeah, you want a rerun? Intro video again.
I'm all good.
You know,
share the video to at least 10 people. That's all I need.
Damn,
and
man.
get us 6 subscribers. Because each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, enough subscribers that will get me by
That was butchered.
Bro, me just like I say like, bro. I don't know, so I can't tell them
It happens.
So why are you alone to tell them to like it? Suppose me you want to tell them to like
You tell them anything you want to tell them.
So you feel like say
Me say you can't tell them anything you want to tell them.
For like, subscribe, and everything, and me only can tell them for share.
You hear him go on and on and on. Me say you can't tell them. That alone you want. You want them something else?
But that's me I try to show him.
Tell
Me
them
decide
something.
me
Tell them
want to tell
something
them to like the video.
Yeah.
And then he do the most.
Me not do the most. You just a butcher it. You butcher the intro.
Bro, but I just wanted to.
You never mean to say that.
I wanted
don't lie right now.
I wanted to.
Don't lie. First of all, when you me watch about the video, the man yarn about 10 times and I tell him say no yarn. I thought the man yam some yarn. That's nearly dead on camera. And then the man come here so.
You literally make up things.
Me literally not lie. I watch it back. I mean I say watch the man and yam the yarn.
Who are yarn?
You know the nigga I'm sentence him stop.
A 2 time I come here because I have to think about
you yarn twice and then yam 2 yarn.
A 2 time alone me yarn.
Man lie.
For what reason would I have to lie?
Anyways, let's get into the video. We're talking about the 23-man squad for the upcoming Nations League semi-finals and finals. Been a cable the third place match. We're got finals and we're talking about the squad we will have to do that. You see it? First of all, before we get into the players, how you rate the squad? You feel pleased? You get a nice 10 out of 10? How you feel?
Definitely not a 10 out of 10. I have some qualms, queries, and concerns.
Yeah.
But
so you say rate the squad after we talk about the players?
Yeah.
Because I guess you'll get some time to percolate it in your brain.
Yeah.
Here we go on, people. We're going to run through the squad section by section. Goalkeepers, defenders, midfielders, forward. And then we have a great coach for selecting this squad.
But I never hear when did say about the Shaquan Davis.
Select Shaquan Davis and play in a JPL.
So he never talk about nobody else.
And you know me realize, bro? I'm going to say it. What we getting at the video. So either this or the goalkeepers. Andre Blake, Jamal Lewis did say that. Not much we say about them players there. Number 1, number 2. Shaquan Davis would have been the number 3. Obviously, we see other players listed on the 60-man squad. Namely, Corey. Kanaya Boys Clark. Shaquan Davis getting another over him. How you feel about the goalkeeping chair?
I want to know the situation.
Yeah.
Because it can be said, Boys Clark dead, available, ready, and we still a call.
Boys Clark now play no? Check the statistics, you know. Boys Clark not really a play like that. And then we have own boy in the MLS 2 too. Over there, so. We just play for the D team.
The USL second division.
No man. We get signed for Atlanta.
Oh yeah.
After they were just represent to it. The 19-year-old I think are 18.
You'd have more call him over Shaquan Davis.
Why?
First of all, I want to do the JPL something, and also why not Kemar?
Yeah, Amal Knight just get him
Amal Knight
captain
also,
Legions.
Amal Knight also.
Lexington, sorry.
Amal Knight would be a next one me that have over any JPL player. No, my question is, what to Kemar faster then? What to hear? Where would I call him? Where did call them? The JPL one them where they there so they now for book a next long ticket.
Oh yeah. Them the convenient call.
Yeah, so why wouldn't include Kemar faster? Where I say Shaquan Davis better than him right now?
Maybe so. Obviously we need a JPL critic or a JPL analyst to tell you right now. We need to call Bobby Hawks so I go on. Cause me don't know. Me wouldn't necessarily pick Shaquan Davis. Not that I know a lot about him, but there are other players. And as I said, the level that you play is an indication of how good you are. Obviously, it's not always that black and white, but for the most part, where you play is an indication of how good you are.
Yep.
Shaquan Davis now goes to the pitch anyways. Why not then call a convenient call up from the same league? Or just call him just was the captain for the local team. How come him the day so? The call up, I don't understand, but it's a goalkeeping third string. I'm not gonna make the biggest deal over a goalkeeping third string.
But
I would
me
have want
still
to see
want
some.
my three best goalkeepers at all given times playing at the highest league.
Yeah,
And they say I'm all night to play football.
yeah. Dylan in a League One.
Dylan Barnes.
Dylan Barnes, yeah. So, but as I said, I'm not gonna make a super big deal out of it. I wouldn't select Shaquan. I'd probably go for one of the youngsters them we are playing in a higher league.
Yep.
Young, higher league.
Dylan Barnes and the next youth where you say where they did get the call up in the recent camp. And then Amal Knight is not very young, playing in a better league. So a whole heap of situation. So we wouldn't necessarily go with no JPL goalkeeper. We can tell you that much. Goalkeeping pool too deep.
And just off the bat, may I say a little bit too much goalkeeper JPL players than more than like. Just off the bat, and we're gonna talk about it. Let's get into the defenders. We have Richard King, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Michael Hector. I'm gonna put the squad on this thing, people can see it.
No,
alright, so I'm gonna read off the squad.
Selfish man.
Remember, so I like myself big on the screen. So I'm gonna read out the squad, people, and then we'll take it off and then talk about it section by section. Alright, so Andrew Blake, Shaquan Davis, Jamali Waite. As the goalkeepers, defenders, we have Richard King, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Michael Hector, Dexter Lembikisa, Tavon Gray, and Greg Lee. Midfielders, Daniel Johnson, Joel Latibodier, Bobby Reed, Cara Anderson, Casey Palmer, Ronaldo Cephas. I don't know why is this as a midfielder, but hey. Forwards, Corey Burke.
Situation, man.
Eh?
Top link situation.
I guess, but you don't see for something. Forwards, Corey Burke, Bailey Kadamateri, Demari Gray, Shamar Nicholson, Mikel Antonio, Jamal Lowe, and Kaim Dixon. Now let's talk about the defenders. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 defenders. Me say me that got 8, you that got 9. Yeah. I'll give him to the one better and got 7. With Richard King in that bunch. What you make of the first of all the central defenders, Richard King, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, and Michael Hector. That's the 4.
And that's the 4 that we selected as well. So
me never select Richard King.
Oh, you said
Richard King.
No, wait. Damian Lowe,
yeah.
Michael Hector, Deshaun Bernard.
Right.
That's the 3 that we would have, right?
Yep.
And then now Richard King coming at this. Now, I'm gonna say, as I said, Richard King wouldn't be my choice when we have such diversity on an international scale. You get me? I say, I'm rather Javian Brown than Richard King. I tell you the truth, I'm rather Wes Harding than Richard King. I tell you the truth, I know who else I'm rather more than Richard King? Yeah, John Mariappa.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So the Richard King inclusion, especially considering that he's playing in the JPL, I'm just not okay with.
Yeah. I agree with you. I wouldn't go for Richard King.
But the other 3 centre backs, we had them in our squad.
Obviously, a top player in the JPL, but they are even. You may just go on the basis of the 60-man squad, bro. Players are listed on that I would go for. You list off a couple of them already. Yeah. Obviously, we can't account for man turn down the call up or whatever. We don't know. We will never know. Arguments never mention it in the presser. But I'm okay with the 3. Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Michael Hector. Richard King, as I said, that probably swap out for Javian Brown. Just because I know Javian Brown can play as a centre back. Javian Brown can play as a right back. And I not talk about square pegs in a round hole. I talk about Javian Brown play as a centre back feed wide cap sometime. As a right centre back, he can do it.
So we still have Wes Harding.
We still have Wes Harding, Mariappa. We have players that I would have go for over Richard King. So I don't necessarily have a lot of confidence in that call up. But hey, I don't think him necessarily go play anyways at 4th string. So maybe this is a convenience call up for lower the tickets for the team. Maybe so. It's just one look trip from Jamaica to America. Instead of them when we talk about call for England, who knows?
We come Jamaica, then to America, then to come back to Jamaica.
Yeah. So I don't know about all of that. But hey, the wing backs now we have Dexter Lembikisa, Tavon Gray, and Greg Lee. We have 3 wing backs.
Yeah.
One injury we in a problem. One man pull up play and win a problem.
But you only have 1 left back.
Dexter Lembikisa can sub as a left back, but Dexter Lembikisa the starting right back. So Dexter Lembikisa on count as a left back. No. If you get at the starting right back, if he was a backup right back, me that say alright, him can sub over there. So me not understand that one day because Greg Lee got on game right now. We in a problem. Nowhere for go start. Box shuffle.
As me said,
Tavon,
the Javian Brown one is
that make sense. That don't make no sense to me.
And then if not, Wes Harding can double as a right back and a centre back. Yep. So me the more good. Wes Harding. Never impressed with Wes Harding when he played for Jamaica, but him can double as a right back and a centre back. So that would add 1 more wing back to the pool. We've seen Mariappa play a lot of right back first as
Bro,
well.
add one more defender.
Mariappa play right back for Palace for years and years and years. You get me? I say so.
Even when they in a World Cup qualifiers and played in a Canada match, I think.
So me not get the Richard King inclusion, especially when we're so short and wing back.
Bro, even if him bring Richard King, we have 23 man for select. You bring 7 defenders. Just bring another defender. Just bring another wing back. So that's alright. Richard King one is if you want to select 4 defenders, I don't have a problem with selecting 4 defenders. Central defenders. Me would go for Richard King, him go for Richard King. Alright, we disagree. But why you go for 3 wing back? That is a recipe for problem.
You want more forward.
You want more forward, brother. Only a couple of them can dip on the field at a time. And then even the forward them, majority of them, even people will get listed in the midfielder category, which we did, to be fair. A forward to at least 2 of them. You see me? So me would have go for extra. Me would have go for Javian Brown. And then maybe that way Greg Lee could have been Dexter Lembikisa could have been viewed as a starting right back, left back, cover. We have options off the bench for right back same way, and not just Tavon Gray way. To be fair, I don't see much from Tavon Gray for saying I'm going to light it up yet. But I'm not comfortable with that. And even so, if you're bro, call a left back cover. Even if you're not going to call Javier, bro, call a left back cover. That's my thing. I don't think they set you up and put you in the best position possible.
But man like Greg Lee can't get hurt still.
No, man like Greg Lee a tractor and train still.
So we're good.
Yeah, unfortunately, Amari Bell got injured like a while ago.
Yeah.
Literally do a surgery. And the weekend, him get injured 2 weeks ago or a week ago in the Premier thing.
Yeah.
Unfortunate. We da book for Amari Bell come.
Yeah.
But as I go, he might be out for a minute. Algims also said that Ethan Pinnock will be ready for June.
I mean, hopefully, because
him said Ethan Pinnock give him assurance.
Supposed to come back at the end of March.
Yeah.
So but we don't know what's going to happen between now and June. So I'm for say Ethan Pinnock are ready for June. That's an absurd statement. That's a crazy statement.
The actual statement is Ethan Pinnock is out right now with an hamstring injury. Yeah. Him talk to him and Ethan Pinnock show him say, no man, I'm ready. In a few, and I will be there in June.
Obviously, Ethan Pinnock, you're ready. Because
himself ready for June.
Come back March 30.
Right.
You're going to be ready March 30.
No, but the thing is, Andre Blake the same day of June. We don't know anything can happen between then. Just as say, yo, me I go fit. That's how I must say. Obviously, we can't account for injuries after that. Midfielders, Daniel Johnson, Joel Latimer there, Bobby Decor, Dover, Reed, Cara Anderson, Casey Palmer, Ronaldo, Cephas. So in this, we have one defensive midfielder. Now, sometimes I don't understand. We have one defensive midfielder, which is Joel Latimer there, who is really
a central defender.
A defender, but as sub as essential right. No, it is what it is. Then we have Daniel Johnson, Cara Anderson, Casey Palmer, who are true midfielders.
And we have 2 forwards.
That no film with a lot of confidence in the first place.
And then we
have 2 wingers we are guess are gonna be midfielders.
But at the state of midfield.
At the state of midfield, but then that just means that Omar Hutchinson turning another call up then.
Notable omission. Omar Hutchinson.
That just means they decide not for call Kevin Lambert then and John Russell then. A year decision then Algrimson. That means anything about me that midfielder a year ahead on the stick, bro. You leave yourself with one defensive midfielder, one injury to Joel Latimer there, and we don't have a defensive midfielder.
And we see the cover.
Michael Hector.
We see the player and
Damian Lowe.
Yeah, we see the player.
And then that leave for Richard King come in.
Yeah. And then also
and Deshaun Bernard.
One injury to left back.
Bro, the team I think the team very unbalanced. Very unbalanced.
That's what happened in Jamaica when the only thing we produce a forward.
But the thing is, bro, for the forward them, and when I get to it, so about one of the forward them for another Cephas. And include another midfielder. Because we short ourselves on defenders. We pick 3 wing back instead of 4 and cover for each wing. And then we select 1 defensive midfielder and 3 central, like 8 central midfielders. And then Bobby Reed got players at 10.
Maybe.
Ronald, maybe.
Or as a winger.
Bobby Reed got start. I'm pretty sure Bobby Reed got start on the left wing.
Yeah.
Ronald Cephas is a left winger. Listed as a midfielder. Team very unbalanced. Midfield is non-existent. Because then now it look like we're going to start Daniel Johnson, Joel Latimer there, anyone of Cara Anderson or Casey Palmer.
Yeah.
That's how we think of him. Obviously, Bobby Reed listed as, but
that could be true.
So me not necessarily
If him go three.
if him go two, then it's gonna be Joel Latibody and Daniel Johnson.
Yeah.
With Bobby Reed as to the left, somebody on the right, and two forward, which is likely what is going to happen also. So midfield don't feel me as a confidence.
It never has.
Never has, but I think this I think this is a bad midfield. Obviously, the players them trash, but as I said, the cover for the defensive midfield position is not great, and they at least two forward as midfielders. I guess to make it look nice.
Yeah.
Because then if you take out the two forward, you have four, and then look up the forward this could hold on the page.
Line, yeah. That's the only reason why them do it.
You see me? So again, me not necessarily confident.
Welcome to Jamaica, the land of defenders and forwards. We don't have no good midfielder, unfortunately. It can kill me. Me just want one Premier League caliber midfielder and one MLS caliber midfielder. Just give me one Premier League caliber and one MLS caliber. God, please. But yeah, we midfield in our sorry state. We've been to emphasize that. And on paper, it look really, really bad.
Yeah. Forwards now, we have Corey Burke, Bailey Kadamatari, Demar Gray, Shaman Nichols, Mikel Antonio, Jamal Lowe, Kaim Dixon. I don't mind having Corey Burke, Kadamatari, Gray, Shaman Nichols, Mikel Antonio. Don't mind those. Jamal Lowe also though hate it, I don't mind it.
I'm sorry, bro, Jamal Lowe playing in the championship and he play a whole heap of football.
I don't mind it.
And him score a couple of goals and get a couple of assists, so I could say.
I don't mind it. Kaim Dixon. Rate Kaim Dixon highly. We had a video the other day where we say which one of them young boys are gonna make the national team or who from the second team, the B team are gonna make the senior team, blah blah blah. Kaim Dixon literally make the team the next call. Me would call him if it was up to me. If me I be honest with you, this feel like a
gratuitous call.
Not just gratuitous, but feel like more of what one boy name, but me I forget his name, assistant coach.
January?
No.
Marion Garden?
This is a Marion Garden assignment. It's a Marion Garden assignment, especially when we watch a press conference and the squad was mentioned. Every single one of the local base players, bar Richard King, which Algins already know and is familiar with, Marion Garden talk about them. You get me? When we talk about the squad, those are the only players who Marion Garden chip in, and Algins defer to him. So when we talk about to Kaim Dixon, him differ to Marion Garden say, oh, promising player, goal machine, all the things that we know about him. Young player, young prospect, exciting for him. He's been included in the squad. Me I go back him for do well. Good player. Go and go score some goal when you get the chance. Sure. If you get on the pitch. No problem with that aspect of it. Now the selection, I can think of a couple players when we select ahead of him. You know, Devante Cole I get selected. We forget about him in our video we make. Devante Cole score 17 goals in the League One right now. You can't tell me that Kaim Dixon is a bigger goal machine than Devante Cole right now. We know that Kaim Dixon is in my opinion, is no better than Dejan Richards right now. That's as far as me I go with the time. So two players already. Coming into that video, I didn't talk about Trevante Stewart before I watch a press conference, but then I know that Trevante Stewart not included right now. As I say, Kaim Dixon a big talent, bro. Big talent. Him know where the goal them can find the goal. I personally would include him in this squad. Everybody else may not have a problem with.
Still take a next step. But as I said, the JPL, Kaim Dixon will do it for me with the JPL. But then again, in my 19, I would give Richard King some grace. But Kaim Dixon.
Bro, I don't have a problem with Kaim Dixon. I don't have a problem with Kaim Dixon.
That's weird. Especially in a team where we have 3 number 8s.
Bro, especially the fact that we have a shot. Especially the fact that Shaman Nichols, Demar Gray, and Liam Bailey not dead, bro. Me not the trying to figure it out. Me never want to figure out much. Obviously, we have Bobby Reed on the left. On the right, we have Granada Cephas on the left. Bobby Reed on the right.
That now be USA.
Mikel Antonio and Kadamatari, or we have Corey Burke up top with Jamal Lowe and Bobby Reed the wing. Bro, me can't say that.
Jamal Lowe will be one of our wide play them for sure.
Jamal Lowe,
it now gonna be
bro, it can be, bro, you know much things me say I got man, it don't happen right.
Yeah,
so,
but
me
bro, Cephas now start over Jamal Lowe. That now go.
I've seen stranger things.
No, it now go.
I don't think it will happen, but just at least saw the options.
We know, so based on, we know that Jamal Lowe will get in based on who not there. So that Jamal Lowe, we know for sure Mikel Antonio will get in. Right? Who else though? who else? Sure,
Bobby Reid.
Bobby Reid. So I just the fourth spot them a fight for. But me not see that team.
This
The
nigga,
Cephas or the Cadamarchi that not give me no. Me not see that them there I take over the top. Where USA team dropping a brother. That team not ready now.
this
The USA team drop and the USA team not have no bullshit. They don't have no foolishness about it. The USA team is just the USA team. Pepe,
what it's supposed to
Reina,
be.
where you get me
Balagan.
I say Balagan. That are them team.
Romario
Pulisic,
Williams.
McKennie.
Williams. At least somebody will know where to get from them.
Pulisic, McKennie, you get me I say them man in the middle of the park. Desk, Ream, Horvath.
You know what this a tell me? You know what this a tell me? The players will get called the other day, like the Romario Williams. That simple just means say Kaim Dixon jump them in the rankings, in the pecking order. Because them mention age, them mention promise, they mention the fact say, me I talk about the press conference now. Obviously these things are things we have to take into account. But when them talk about Kaim Dixon, what them talk about is not in promise. It's just, yo, it's a goal machine. It's a you to know the goal there. So we are looking for score a goal then. As I say, me would have probably go for the trusted and the people who know already. Like I say, we can power up with an odd goal, can give you some impact up there. We're used to playing in CONCACAF already.
I guess they used to playing in CONCACAF, but them man not giving no odd goal.
But is there
Romario Williams is scoring a goal?
Bro, me not say no. But not time for try right now. Anyways, Romario Williams come on and give you impact already. Romario Williams come on and win penalty for we and Bobby Reid slot it way. So me just attack with the players and know where know the level. Right now, bro, for playing a CONCACAF, all of them say it. It's not the easiest thing.
My only issue is just with the level that he's playing at. But me not have no problem with the introduction. Because with Cadamarchi, I try
too.
So it's not about that.
Is it? No, but the quality too.
That's just the level in my player.
Do I think Kaim Dixon is better than Romario Williams? No.
Make we see.
We are going to see. And maybe I'm proven wrong and I want to be proven wrong. I think he's better than Whisper now? I
don't think it's a crazy assumption to believe that he's better than Romario Williams or say Kaim Dixon has USL talent. I don't think that's absurd.
No, but I don't think Kaim Dixon right
as
now
compared
to
we can't say Romario Williams are the best striker in the USL.
Definitely one of the best strikers in the USL. Now,
if Romario Williams can up there in the USL in terms of performance, Kaim Dixon can up there too. I'm not saying better, I'm not saying worse. But I don't think it's crazy to say because we have Whisper where they're at a higher level than Romario Williams for sure, right? Kaim Dixon, obviously, we are talking about the schoolboy football, right? Where him the right after Whisper. Not on Whisper's level, but pretty close to where Whisper does.
Man score more goals than Whisper.
So if yeah, but I mean in performance.
In play more games.
In performance. Yeah. So I try to show you, say, if we say Whisper better than Romario Williams, it's not crazy to think that Kaim Dixon and Romario Williams are on the same level. And if algorithms identify that and see that, maybe me I talk about my opinion from women know of both players. I don't think Kaim Dixon right now is better than Romario Williams. In a year, I don't see nothing from Romario Williams, brother. I tell you the truth, I tell you, Romario Williams never impressed me,
Romario Williams really play. Romario Williams, only see Romario Williams as a substitute. But
never I say impress me.
Whenever Romario Williams play, I never say him come out.
Which people say a substitute? I say Jamal Lowe a substitute captain. Come on and show me. Say
most Jamal Lowe not do half as much as they are saying. Jamal Lowe most time come and he's not impressive. Obviously Jamal Lowe have a match, him add match or two. But I say, all right, Jamal Lowe can play some football, but most time Jamal Lowe disappointing. Most time Jamal Lowe not put up nothing for it. The point I make is, there are at least 2 players that be the select over Kaim Dixon. Not that I don't think Kaim Dixon is a baller. I want him go up, I want him find the back of the net, I want him show everybody, say, him up to where, the coaching staff.
My only issue with that are just the level of play. But I not think it's crazy for things like Kaim Dixon probably better than them man the way. Because the same thing with...
them man, there are one man mentioned a while ago, I said Devante Cole, Dujan Richards and Romario Williams are 2 players that made a select over.
Romario Williams have 2 goals for Jamaica. That's 16 game.
How much him start?
Him play 16.
How much him start? You play 5 minutes, you still play.
Yeah, so there's a reason why I play 5 minutes.
Me now say no. And you there argue Romario Williams quality with me. The point me I make is the hard prayer, so me that select over Kaim Dixon. So you telling me right now, say, Romario Williams in the USL. Oh well.
And Bossman play, like Jamal Lowe play a quarter of the games and score the same amount of goals. Only 4 games on Jamal Lowe play.
Me now say no.
So yeah, say every time when him come on and him play, him know that him like say him play whole heap of football.
Yeah, but when him
just
impress,
not get the chance. The man have.
but at the
him,
same thing,
him
at the
scoring every other game him play for Jamaica.
All I know, at the same
Him
time,
literally score in every other game him play for Jamaica, and him score 2 of some of the best goals we can see in a recent for Jamaica. Him just don't get a chance to play for Jamaica because we just have better forwards. But Romario Williams get way more chance than Jamal Lowe and produce way less than Jamal. Like Jamal Lowe score every other game. What do you think about it? Even how much assists he have, but I'm sure say most have assists. So he probably have as many goal contributions as games.
Off the top, I test right now. Me remember Jamal Lowe was super impressive whenever I played for Jamaica. Me I tell you the truth.
With a different thing, me remember.
Bro, you remember 1 ago, me not gonna say Jamal Lowe was this great player in that match where he scored the goal at Stadium. He wasn't super impressive.
No,
he have a
good game.
Bro, me not say no.
And the first game when he play, when he score.
Why you talk about Jamal Lowe with me right now?
But me
just say about Jamal Lowe.
No, me just say.
Me say Jamal Lowe. Me not mad at it.
Yeah, but me just say Romario Williams. You say him come on and give impact. Me not see him come on and nothing else the next guy couldn't do.
Like who? Jamal Lowe?
Like Kaim
Dixon.
Yeah.
Maybe so. That the point me I make. What the point I make? Because I'm just saying, I want to go with players who I know already can impact. Players who I see, I want to go in another game, they go try.
But you say players where you see. We see Romario Williams, but we don't know say him can impact because
I see Romario Williams impact already. That's how I said to you.
You see him get 1 penalty? Yeah, I see Romario Williams playing the ball.
Because you not see him.
You not see him. 16 matches for him. Go Mexico 1 time and run up and down. Him come on and win a penalty the other day. But what really and truly Romario Williams do in the national colours make me could have say, yo, me want to go with him. Say, for example,
over Kaim Dixon with Medosi. Me not say Medosi one.
We don't know Kadamarti, none at all. We don't see him. Matter of fact, at first,
I use him level for judge. Kaim Dixon don't have that leverage there. I can't use that. So right now, I am saying, if me go with so much players I don't know, and I don't know what them have to offer, them have to have a new challenge right now in a CONCACAF. I probably, most likely, would go with players that I know already have that experience at the level. That's all me I say, brother. That's all me I say.
And may I say, you would have, for example, alright, so if him left out, me come back to Jamal Lowe. If him left out Jamal Lowe, I gotta say, Bridget, that's a madness, because I see Jamal Lowe play at the highest level, whatever. But because him get the chance to see Romario Williams and him get the chance to see Kaim Dixon, and him seem like he make that choice there, then me just see what I do. Me not question it. Based on to pick Kaim Dixon over Romario, me not go question that.
Okay, me not say.
My only issue is just the level of Kaim Dixon player.
Bro,
but obviously I'll give him to see something. Why I'm
bro, arguing a lot of things, but it's my opinion to question it. Him say a lot of things I don't agree with and everything. Obviously, him say them a training. Look how much decisions I make. We not make that excuse for everybody. So why you make it now for Kaim Dixon? We not make that.
No, that's the point I try to make. So if the debate between Romario Williams and Kaim Williams, me will give for that one day,
bro. But
me will give the coach benefit.
Romario Williams was the last player I mentioned. So you stick by Romario Williams. Romario Williams is not the point of this video. We mentioned Devontae Cole, we are tear up with whatever. If me go try him, me go with. Me know a whisper can offer already. And then me say me that carry Romario Williams alone.
Me already carry Devontae Cole for sure. Over.
And me that carry whisper. And then me mention Romario Williams. So you making this whole video about Romario Williams is not the point me I make. The point me I make is I wouldn't go for fresh Kaim Dixon debut. A debutant it would have been against in a semi-final against USA. That wouldn't be where me I go for. Me that be more comfortable. I go with somebody who actually probably play against USA already, playing at the Gold Cup, playing at the Nations League already, playing at World Cup qualifiers already. Alright, me not gonna say I'm this prolific striker, but at least him know the level. And as I say, maybe as good as Kaim Dixon. Yeah, maybe as good as Kaim Dixon. Maybe not. Me not have enough to say yes or no. And if me have to lean one side, me I go say yes. So me that go with him because at least me know where him can offer. Me no want choke Kaim Dixon in a fire and then him
particular point against Romario Williams.
Bro, at the third option.
Yeah, but me I say to that one the way I say right now, based on all of them play against USA, he was the only person out of the three way do all of them things the way you say. Play against USA more than one time. We could have played against USA 300 million times, still not convinced. But then at Devontae Cole, we never had played in a CONCACAF ever, me would have still go with him over the two of them. For sure. You get me? I said Dujan Richards, him not play against nobody in a CONCACAF neither. You get me? So Dijon Richards not really play no only for CONCACAF football like that either. But me that still go with him over Kaheem Dixon. Have those two options. So yeah, me that definitely up with Devontae Cole, considering him play football. Then secondly, me that probably go with Whisper.
Yeah, obviously we need to get through this game. Can this squad get through this game?
As in, anything can happen. You get me?
Will this squad get through
San Marino finally get a point in international football a couple of years ago. So if they can get a point, anything can happen. But obviously that's an extreme situation, right? Will it get us through this game, or how likely is it to get us through this game? Not very likely. You know, with the Tim Ream and Matt Turner and Sergina Dest and Robinson. It's going to be hard to see Ronaldo Cephas and Calamitra score upon them Monday.
It's hard. We not beat America. That's the first thing. We not beat America.
It's hard.
America upon them worst day, I could beat you without Shaman Nicholson, Liam Bailey, and them agree.
We see America.
And we also have one defensive midfielder. And we not have Ethan Pinnock.
I was going to make a point that we see
America
travel to San Pedro Sula and go sting it up, but this is in their home.
But even that be we bro, we don't have a best defender. We don't have a best defender. We don't have a second best player. We don't have a third best. We don't have a best player. We don't have a best midfield, the best defender. We only have one defensive midfielder. We don't have a second best player. We don't have a leading goal scorer. We don't have a game winner. Oh, we are gonna beat America. For them worst day. Christian Pulisic come back with bro. This squad, man, not say defense. Obviously normally with the best team, we have a chance. With all of the things I'm just say a while ago, we best defense. Of course the ball around. That's not what we have said. We never say if we can. Me I try and make a prediction on whether we are going to or not. Obviously I can't wrong. But we not beat America with the squad. Yeah? If I'm supposed to predict, we are not the fan, you know.
It go hard.
Of course it go hard. Of course it go hard.
It go hard. As I say, when you think about Matt Turner, Sergina Dest, Tim Ream, Robinson.
Bro, guess what? And we'd say all of that we just say a while ago. Come on, reggae boys. You get me I say? But if me go, that don't mean me can't look upon the facts and make a prediction. Me not think we're gonna win.
Yeah, and then
but at the same time, come on boys. Let's go out and try to win the game.
With McKenny and Reina in the middle of the park. With that, we're not gonna. One thing we can say, anything can have the ball around, but what I can tell you is that Jamaica not gonna see the ball. Shit, no Shamar Nicholson.
Yeah, no, best option a penalty shootout. Or Mikel Antonio.
No Shamar Nicholson. Well, we have Mikel Antonio. No, they are. So
we don't have a best defender. We don't have a best player. We don't have a goal scorer. We don't have a leading goal scorer.
Mikel Antonio and Andre Blake.
We don't have a midfielder.
Mikel Antonio and Andre Blake. Yeah.
No, if we win a certain, I forgot. That's how I forgot.
Yeah, Mikel Antonio and Andre
Blake. That's how I forgot. Will that be enough to beat America now? For me, no.
Maybe.
I don't think so. But fine.
But
I could say, I still a cheer for the boys same way. Now got though.
It rough. It's gonna be an uphill situation, but it's a knockout game, 1-1, and you know we go there, we put out a fight.
Anything can happen, man. Especially with what me see in Canada, but we didn't need that in Canada with the best team.
Yeah.
We do the best team with it down, and then we make a comeback. We didn't need the best team in that game. But without the best team, bro.
We're already behind the 8 ball.
We make a starting lineup. Who we look for the bench? Cephas. Come try this something. Kadamate. Come try this something. Corey Burke, if you not start. Come do something. Kaim Dixon, come do something.
As a last gas.
Come on, bro. Carry Anderson. We need a sub in our middle.
I know sub in
You get me? Like, that no feel more with confidence. I'm going to think that enough.
I know sub in the middle and the back four. I just know that.
I wouldn't have a best defender. Again, we're not back up for the central defensive midfielder.
And then Antonio don't play 90 minutes of football.
Antonio not play 90 minutes of football.
120. Jesus have mercy.
No.
So good luck even start Antonio. Jeez. I don't know why we go bring on Antonio. Because we need Antonio to play 120, innit? We need Antonio to kick a penalty.
Obviously for 60 minutes, the only way Antonio if come off I feel obviously we know this is not going to be the case. Because Antonio really played 90 minutes thing. But if for 60 minutes in and nil all Antonio, you have to stay on the field until we 2-0 down. You know?
You have to stay on the field until we 2-0 down or until we 1-0 up.
Yeah. You have to stay on this field.
1-0 up, you can come off your defender.
Anybody come off your defender.
That's the only song.
Antonio. I don't knock at Antonio on the field, alright, but then knock at anybody on the field. Antonio the only fault. Anybody else come off. Everybody else run. You alone just run up and with some father. I win some aerial ball and something.
Antonio can't manage run up and down.
I just that now, especially with him tired and just a come back for an injury. Where's a Coreyberg? Put on Coreyberg and take off anybody else running. So that's not for a defender. Take off anybody else for a defender. Me gonna need a workhorse there. I just say
no, me Antonio have done it. So Antonio have to come off. Antonio have 79.
Bro, Antonio can't be when I sub them first. Unless I'm gonna say we're 2-0 down or 1 love. Not even 1 love up. Me I say 1 love up. Take off anybody else and leave Antonio for run up and down. If you carry up and down, give me Coreyberg.
That's why we have Coreyberg.
No, that's what I say. Would it be for a defender? Anyways, anybody else for a defender. Anybody else around him. The one we are run up and down, have to be Mikel Antonio or Coreyberg. Think about it. It have to be Jamal or Bobby Reed. Me even care anybody else around him. And then Mikel Antonio. We all go in the aerial ball and we are out.
A Coreyberg work.
A Coreyberg work. That's why I want Coreyberg in that team as a Mikel Antonio like replacement.
I wonder if Antonio even starts for bro.
Who would I get a start? Coreyberg?
Not because of quality, but because it's a possible 120 match.
The only way Jamaica scored that match is Mikel Antonio do. What Mikel Antonio do. You know, listen to me and say. The only way I see. Alright. Corner, Damian Lowe, or Mikel Antonio special goal. Bobby Reed, good for a special goal.
We not have something there. We not have.
No, me not say we can break down nobody here.
Liam Bailey kick the corner them.
Nah, Liam Bailey kick. Who kick Bobby? Daniel Johnson kick the corner them too.
Daniel Johnson is swinging some couple times.
So Daniel Johnson, as I said, Damian Lowe can score a corner.
From a dead ball. I will get that.
Bobby Reed have a special goal in him every now and then. I can't say him do for one, can give one ready. Mikel Antonio, him do a goal.
Mikel Antonio, our game winner. Mikel Antonio, a wild card, but
I was seeing give them big old defender the problem already, so just come and do it again. It a rough, bro. My honest opinion is that I don't see the team good enough to beat America, but at the same time, Jamaican fan in me, I say, come on, Jamaica, we can do it. Let's go.
I try to think more where to come from. Because we're not going to touch that football.
Where to come from is a corner.
Yeah, we're not going to touch
a dead ball, like a free kick. Oh, I get a corner. Mikel Antonio will carry at least 1, 2, 3 corner in a game. Mikel Antonio will try a shot somewhere.
And then now, when I think about Mikel Antonio, I think about playing 120 minutes. I'm not think he might have that.
He might get subbed off, man. He might get subbed off. I don't think he should, but I think he might get subbed off.
So, a whole heap of things to consider, bro. I wonder if me play 45 minutes.
That much I can go bad fast.
I wonder if me play 45 minutes and feel it out and then introduce Mikel Antonio in the second half. Strategically, obviously, because I'm our best. But
you want the one love up. You want try to get that one love there, not you say?
I know you do, but bro, with this, I never know Liam Bailey never they go play and all of them things when I make them talk there, bro. A different ball game this now.
Yo!
When I say them things, I never know this is the squad with me and
only one you don't know about, and it's Liam Bailey. Everybody else didn't know them now.
Omar Hutchinson in the squad too.
Omar Hutchinson in the squad.
Omar Hutchinson and Liam Bailey. We have teeth for go forward. Bro, Bobby Reed is not, I don't know, teeth for go forward and attack. I say a one. That one there, a whole heap. Liam Bailey, a whole heap. Even if I did just one. A whole heap that. We don't have no teeth for attack. We don't have no teeth. None at all.
You and me so now in the game. Bro, so bad. Come Jamaican, I want to win. Trust me, I want to win.
That's hard.
Me not see we are winning.
We're not going to see the ball, bro.
And then we just go backside Panama and give them 3 love and then come celebrate a yard.
We're not going to see the ball. And we don't have no teeth.
America carry them best team. America carry them best team.
I see it.
That's what it's all about.
So. You know, say in other news, bro, Messi build calendar career. That's the America third goalkeeper. Bro, them man they never in the scope of selection for America, you know. And now Messi go into Miami and a calendar get the third string call up, you know. Bro, Messi's that guy, bro. Them man they never even me never hear nobody talk about
lifeline.
Me never hear nobody talk about calendar. Me hear Slonina, you know, so you have Zach Stephen, you know, you have Ethan Horvath, you know, you have Sean Johnson. Me never yet hear nothing about Matt Calendar. Now all of a sudden Matt Calendar get the third string keeper call up. Bro, the Messi effect, bro. Believe me when I tell you.
You gotta get the SMG my lifeline.
The man, when Messi have to do with the keeper, how that even makes sense? Since Messi go, bro, the amount of keeper did they above this man. The amount of keeper, Stephens, Horvath, Sean Johnson, Gagas, Danina, how much keeper? No, him I get the third call. All of a sudden. Messi effect. But that was tangential, people. Yeah, we see the American squad and at the very best them can pass because
it's rough. It's like a rough right now.
And then don't forget the fact that them are going to play in front of nearly 80,000 people in Arlington.
Man, so Mikel Antonio, me I beg you one.
So don't forget that. The fact that it's going to be
Mikel, me I beg you one.
In this big old field.
Me I beg you one, Mikel Antonio.
So make us see what for go on. But as the people all say, amen and amen.
Nations League, Rasta, Calendar, Horvath, Turner, Dest, Lund, Mark McKenzie, Tim Reed, Chris Richards, Anthony Robinson, Miles Robinson, Joe Skelly, Tyler Adams, Cardosa, Luca Torre, Weston McKinney, Jonas Musa, Gio Reyna, Following Balogun, Pepe, Pulisic, Sargent, Tillman, Tim Weir. That go do ya, brother.
So when you have Musa, Reyna and McKinney in the midfield, we not gonna touch the ball, bro. and then you have Pulisic with him free roam same way and Tim Weir. And then Florian Balogun.
We never give yourself the best chance.
Not to mention Pepe, who is a wild card. And then you have Tim Ream and Adams and Sergio Des and Matt Turner.
We never give yourself the best chance, you see me? But we go, I will fight. And hopefully resilience pay off. Hopefully we can get a special moment from one of our special players. But we definitely never put ourselves in the best spot. Going into this game.
And Leon Bailey hurt, bro.
Yeah.
You hurt to Chippy. Cause right now you were the ringer when me did a depend pan for make we could have said, alright, go out and try attack America fast.
From here, I said the farmer translate, you know. Chacha, Leon Bailey did not play for Jamaica at the peak I'm farm.
But I couldn't say that still. 9 more games in the Premier League.
So when him ever play? We don't have an next until June.
Yeah, that's a mess. So we can get him at the peak I'm farm.
Right, no one. Yeah, not at the end of the summer.
Suppose it's
that is NI season.
But suppose him go on and score 4 more goals and get 4 more assists.
Just that now.
Next year that.
Him can't eat
them time they get him at the peak.
But right now, I don't know if ever see Leon Bailey.
Mid-season
right,
farm.
No. Mid-season farm. I can literally score. Right, no. Leon Bailey not play today. Aston Villa not play Conference League or Europa League. Like today.
So yeah, people, it's a bummer. It don't look very good for you at all.
Rough. Mikel Antonio. Let me see if Mikel Antonio scored. Nope. He even play. Yeah, Mikel Antonio start.
Never finished though.
You see what him come off
that much.
You ever see when him come off?
How long him get? No, him never get hurt, man.
80 minutes.
Yeah.
No, him just play a while ago.
But no, that's why I say if he get hurt, me then no, trust me.
Are we that still not people? Tell me one thing about the squad and our chances of beating America.
It don't look good.
Yeah.
But
it'll be an uphill battle, but yeah, I will leave a football and I will leave a things up. Yeah, Leon Bailey play 3 o'clock today. Matter of fact, starting lineup out. Let me see. Leon Bailey start for Aston Villa today. Rough. I watch him have a score. Watch him have a great game and then can represent you next week. Anyways, people, if you don't like the video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can do that, do you know how many subscribers that gets by the end of the day? People, we apologize for the glum video, but glum times.
It happens. I'm disappointed. Maybe you want to say much worse things about the squad, but hey.
Make us see what we're going.
We have a couple ball in 23.
Bro, the thing about it is, bro, them dead and them are going in a track suit, bro.
Some boss a track suit too.
Them are going in a track suit, man, youth. And no matter which way you spin it, you know. The second match is going to be the easier match, you know. No matter which way you spin it. Whether it be the third place match or the finals, the second match is going to be the easier match. No matter which way you spin it. And at them time, the man they come out without tracksuit. Too much tracksuit, bro. She believe not getting a tracksuit. I got there training.
Sir.
Crazy.
Go out and play for your international match, yeah. But I'm going to play in a country in a Europa League mobile. I say go. Gone.